Hello everybody, I'm Dylan, and today I'm going to be giving you top tips on how to make your own Pokemon. So, first tip is that you need to, so this ties it all together, which is the types and the animal, because this will change how it looks and its name and pretty much everything else, and its attacks. So here I haven't done the attacks, you can make them up, but firstly you need to do this. I've chosen Ice and Bug, and obviously the animal is going to be a bee. In fact, my title of my YouTube channel is Dim the Bee, so yeah. And I've named it Frosting because it's frost and then sting at the end. And then you need to make all the parts of the body. So here, what I've done is I've done the eye, which you might have to do it a few times, but this is my final design. And the body, which you don't have to have, which would be a bit weird though. I mean, you don't have to have any of these, but then it will just be invisible. Here's the wings. Again, you don't have to have them. It's because my one's a bee. I like how I used a gradient on here. So it's like it goes from blue to dark purple to lighter purple, then to really bright purple. And here's the head with the purple antennas, which you don't have to have. Here's the mouth, which is insect mouth. And also, so then after that, you might want to do the Pokeball first. I've chosen a luxury ball because my Pokemon's going to be really powerful. You can also do a Z move. I didn't put this on here, but that's that I might do that in another video. And then what you need to do is put all the parts together to make it, and then you can see I've got the eyes. I like how I put the icicles on the bottom of all the bottom bits. So I'm glad how it came out, and goodbye.